Alright, so let's finally start with the skin pore detail. Standard brush, I'll try this first bumpy skin too. I'll use without RGB, just the Z sub. Let's see what I have. Let me just have a look if we... Okay. Let's turn on SculptHD again and let's see if it's gonna work in with layers. To be honest, I never tested the geometry 2D with layers. To sculpt the mesh pointed to okay. Most of the time I'm used to actually subdivide the model and have a pretty dense model. Yeah, you know, it actually didn't work in. So let's first guys, I will continue just with the normal subdivision mode. I don't think we're gonna need really more than this for our purpose. We won't have any so close render or anything, so I'll keep without the sculpt HD mode. I'm gonna sacrifice this. So once again, duplicate. We lost that and delete the very first one. I'm gonna need to use my shortcut. Good. So as you can see here, we have some pores into this direction, right? Here I'm using the normal. Let's just see if we have a morph target there, and I think maybe some drag and hacked. What is important here is to keep with the same to find the right intensity and also to match the size of brush of these pores, right? You can squeeze your eyes and have a look comparing what you have. I think this is let's try some color spray. Too big. I tried some testing after we can blend and smooth, make it more lucid, not so. Yeah, now that's let's start by testing first, and if we feel this one I didn't like, we need to have some overall pores at the whole face first. I just will start with some tests. And check what works, what not. But this will be, I think, our mainly let's try the Untitled mode. Maybe if we have something like that. Very small. Let's compare it with this other one. Let's try some dragon hacked. Too strong. Maybe if we try some other to blend. Let's try some spray. I'm just testing at this moment. I don't really have a clear path. I will move that and see. Yeah, this one would be good for the neck, I think. So let me see. Okay, let's wait. And you know, I'm just testing, making some tests because I I know some patterns of each region. Yeah, this can look good, but not now. But you have to test with not too much preciousness. Trying some different directions. Let's try other alpha. Maybe this one with the Z mode. In a bigger size. Yeah, let's have a look in the other region. After we can go back to that. Here, as we saw, it's something more directional, right? So this wouldn't work it. Maybe if we blend with some directional, it's all about testing, you know. And also this is just a very first pass. Oh, look how here it got very nice. By dragging this direction, maybe if we drag in the other direction, it can fit better. More intense. Maybe some drag hacked too strong. In this eye bag region, I like to make some crossing patterns, you know,